Welcome back to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Nebeus card and exploring all of its features and benefits. Available as both a virtual and physical card, the Nebeus card offers a seamless way to access and manage your cryptocurrency. It bridges the gap between your digital assets and everyday spending, allowing you to use your crypto just like traditional currency. With the Nebeus card, you can make purchases online and in stores worldwide, wherever MasterCard is accepted. This provides incredible flexibility and convenience, making it easier than ever to integrate crypto into your daily life. Imagine using your Bitcoin or Ethereum holdings to pay for your groceries, grab a coffee, or even book a flight. The Nebeus card makes it possible. Nebeus emphasizes security and provides a secure platform for managing your card and transactions. You'll have full control over your card, including the ability to freeze or unfreeze it instantly through the Nebeus app. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your funds are protected. Furthermore, the app offers real-time transaction notifications, keeping you informed of every purchase. The Nebeus card isn't just a spending tool, it's a gateway to a wider ecosystem of financial services. Through the Nebeus platform, you can access various crypto services like earning interest on your holdings, borrowing against your crypto, and exchanging different cryptocurrencies. This integration provides a holistic and convenient solution for managing all your crypto needs in one place. One of the key advantages of the Nebeus card is its ease of use. The application process is straightforward, and the user-friendly app makes managing your card and transactions intuitive. Whether you're a seasoned crypto user or just starting your journey, the Nebeus card offers a simple and accessible way to experience the benefits of cryptocurrency in the real world. Nebeus is constantly innovating and expanding its services, so be sure to check out their website, nebeus.com, for the latest updates and offerings. They're continuously improving and adding features to enhance the user experience. This commitment to innovation makes the Nebeus card a promising option for anyone looking to integrate cryptocurrency into their everyday spending. Remember to visit their website, nebeus.com/nebeus-card for more specific details on the Nebeus card itself.